This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the machine ready. Plug in AC power, save work, and reboot now. Once the screen flashes the manufacturer logo, press the known BIOS entry key repeatedly, Del F2, F10, F12, or ESC because timing matters. If you miss it, don't panic, reboot and try again. Make sure to avoid long key holds. Short repeated taps are more reliable. If Windows is fast booting, use Settings Recovery, Restart Now, to enter UEFI options instead. Once inside BIOS or UEFI, move through the menus. Check Security, System Information, or OEM/vendor pages because keys are often stored under those headings. You're looking specifically for labels like Product Key, Windows Product Key, OA3, 0, or MSDM. Manufacturers place the embedded key there. If you don't see a key, exit and boot into Windows. Run a PowerShell command to query ECP tables for MSDM instead. This dual approach covers both visible firmware listings and hidden OEM embedded key. You finish by extracting the key in Windows if BIOS did not show it. Open PowerShell as admin and run the WMI query to read a 3x original product key from Software Licensing Service. Once you have the key, store it securely and test activation. If the command returns nothing, make sure the firmware actually includes an MSDM table. Some OEM don't embed keys, and try vendor diagnostic utilities. If activation still fails, contact the manufacturer with your serial number.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.